Don't say I don't know. Say Adano. Don't say I have got to go. Say Agadago. Don't say tell them. Say tell him. Don't say listen to me. Say listen me. Don't say thanks God. Say thank God. Don't say are you agree? Say do you agree? Don't say call to me. Say call me. Don't say take a coffee. Say have a coffee. All right, guys, that's the end of today's lesson. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. Take care, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.